What if you could stop throwing away $1,800 a month on rent and own a modern Barndominium for around $120,000? In the right regions with the right strategy, $120,000 is still achievable in 2026. I'm showing you 10 actual floor plans that prove you can build quality for roughly $100 per square foot. And plan number 10 is the absolute best value I've found this year. Stay through this because one material choice alone saves $15,000 to $20,000 that most first-time builders waste on upgrades they don't need. Also, there's a specific square footage sweet spot between 1,000 and 1,400 square feet where your cost per square foot drops dramatically, and I'll show you exactly why that matters. Plan number 10 at the end delivers the most livable space for the lowest cost, and it's not even close. I spent 3 months researching actual 2026 builds, talking to contractors in Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, and analyzing real pricing data. The housing market is challenging right now. The average home costs over $400,000. Rent keeps climbing. But in favorable markets with smart planning, you can build a beautiful Barndominium for a fraction of that cost, and these 10 plans prove it. Let's talk real numbers because $120,000 is achievable in the right conditions. Here's how it breaks down. For 1,200 square feet in favorable markets, you're looking at roughly $100 per square foot turnkey. That includes metal building kit at $20 to $35 per square foot, foundation and site prep at $15 to $25 per square foot, and interior finishes at $40 to $60 per square foot. The national average to build a Barndominium in 2026 is $230,000, but that includes larger homes with premium finishes. By focusing on 1,000 to 1,400 square feet with smart material choices in moderate-cost regions, $120,000 becomes realistic. The approach: simple rectangular footprints that use standard material sizes, open floor plans that eliminate expensive interior walls, builder-grade finishes that look good without luxury pricing, and strategic involvement in the build process where it makes sense. Depending on your skill level and time availability, handling some finish work yourself could reduce labor costs by 15 to 25%. That's not cutting corners, that's being strategic about where your money goes.
Plan 1. The Haven, 1,320 square feet, best for everyday comfort. 1,320 square feet in a 33 by 40 footprint. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Open concept living area with a compact kitchen island. Large walk-in closet in the primary suite. Utility/laundry room off the kitchen. Build cost: $118,000 to $125,000 in favorable markets. Why it works? Clean rectangular shape, minimal hallways, standard material dimensions. The extra 120 square feet compared to 1,200 gives breathing room without pushing you over budget. Great starter for couples or small families. This is the baseline many people start with. If you're looking for something even more compact, let's look at the next plan. Plan 2. The Nest, 1,080 square feet, best for minimalists. Building on that compact idea, the Nest takes it further. 1,080 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom plus powder room. Open living, kitchen, dining area. Front porch overhang, carport option. Build cost: $98,000 to $110,000. Why it works? Small footprint keeps kit and foundation costs low. Every inch is usable. Carport instead of garage saves $12K to $18K. Perfect if you want low utilities and low maintenance forever. These ultra-compact plans are great for minimalists. Now let's see what happens when we add a little more breathing room. Plan 3. The Clearing, 1,450 square feet, best for entertaining. If you want space for hosting, the Clearing gives it to you. 1,450 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large open great room, kitchen with island seating for 5, covered back porch, optional flex room. Build cost: $125,000 to $138,000. Why it works? The extra square footage goes into the living area, not bedrooms. Feels spacious for entertaining without luxury pricing. Porch adds usable outdoor space for almost no extra cost. So far, we've covered the starters, but if you need workspace or hobbies, the next plan changes the game. Plan 4. The Workshop, 1,380 square feet with shop, best for makers. If you work from home or have hobbies, the workshop integrates a shop smartly. 1,380 square feet living plus attached shop, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open living area, 400 square foot shop with 10 by 10 overhead door, screen porch. Build cost, $120,000 to $135,000 including shop. Why it works? Shop space costs only $40 to $55 per square foot to finish versus $100 plus for living space. Integrated design saves $20K plus compared to separate buildings. Perfect for crafts, side business, or storage. Adding a shop is a big win for some. Now let's see a plan that maximizes visual impact without extra cost. Plan 5, the Horizon, 1,380 square feet, best for visual drama. If you want a home that feels bigger than it is, the Horizon delivers. 1,380 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, vaulted ceilings throughout, wraparound porch, 2-car garage tucked to the side. Build cost, $115,000 to $128,000. Why it works? Vaulted ceilings create drama and perceived space. Wraparound porch adds 300 to 400 square feet of usable area for a fraction of interior cost. Smart design, greater than square footage. These plans keep things simple but dramatic. If you need more flexibility for work or guests, the next one adds it smartly.
Plan 6, the Flex, 1,620 square feet, best for remote workers. If you work from home or need extra space, the Flex gives you options. 1,620 square feet, 2 bedrooms plus flex/office room, 2 bathrooms, garage/shop combo, covered front porch. Build cost, $128,000 to $145,000. Why it works? The Flex room becomes a dedicated office without paying bedroom taxes. Garage/shop combo gives storage and workspace, great for work-from-home life. Versatility is key for some. Now, let's look at a plan that keeps things small but feels luxurious. Plan 7, the Retreat, 1,140 square feet, best for downsizers. If you're downsizing or want low maintenance, the Retreat is perfect. 1,140 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open living area, front porch, carport. Build cost, $105,000 to $118,000. Why it works? Smaller footprint equals lower utilities and taxes forever. Porch and carport add usable space without interior cost. Ideal for retirees or empty nesters. These compact plans save big, but if you're looking for the ultimate value, the final 3 might surprise you. Plan 8, the Outpost, 1,320 square feet with shop, best for hobbyists. If hobbies or side work are in your future, the Outpost integrates a shop smartly. 1,320 square feet living plus attached shop. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open living/kitchen, 350 square feet shop with 10 by 10 door. Build cost, $122,000 to $138,000 including shop. Why it works? Shop costs $45 to $60 per square foot to finish versus $100 plus for living space. Integrated design saves money over separate buildings. Great for crafts, woodworking, or side gigs. Shop space is a game changer for some. Now let's move to the final 2. They optimize everything we've talked about. Plan 9, the Core, 1,200 square feet, best for balanced living. The Core is all about balance. 1,200 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open living area, utility/laundry room, front porch, carport. Build cost, $112,000 to $125,000. Why it works? Clean lines, no wasted space, standard materials. Perfect middle ground for people who want comfort without excess. This is the balanced starter, but the final plan takes everything we've learned and optimizes it to the max. Plan 10, the champion, 1,200 square feet optimized, best overall value. Here's my #1 pick and the best overall value. This 1,200 square foot plan is specifically engineered for the $120,000 budget. Standard 30 by 40 footprint using common material sizes, simple gable roof with minimal waste, open concept eliminating expensive framing, clear construction process, strategic finish choices that look expensive but aren't. The breakdown: building kit $24,000 to $30,000, foundation and site prep $18,000 to $22,000, assembly and framing $15,000 to $20,000, interior finishes $35,000 to $40,000, remaining budget for permits, utilities, and contingency. Total $92,000 to $112,000 in favorable markets, giving you cushion for your specific location and choices. Why it's the champion? Maximum livable space, minimum wasted budget. This is the one.
Here are the strategies that make these $120,000 builds achievable in the right conditions. Choose stock plans over custom. Stock plans cost $1,200 to $2,000. Custom designs run $4,500 to $8,000. That's $3,000 to $6,000 saved immediately. Some experienced builders choose to act as their own general contractor. GCs typically add 10 to 20% to project costs. Beginners should weigh the time investment and coordination required carefully. It's not for everyone, but it can save $12,000 to $24,000 if you're prepared. Use Barndominium kits from suppliers within 500 miles to avoid freight costs. Drop ceilings in bedrooms and bathrooms to standard 9 feet instead of vaulting everything. Saves on drywall and climate control. Choose concrete slab foundations over basements. Slabs cost $6 to $14 per square foot. Basements run $35 to $50 plus per square foot. Handle interior finish work strategically. Depending on skill level, you could reduce labor costs by 15 to 25% by tackling painting, flooring installation, or cabinet assembly yourself. Time your steel purchase strategically. Steel prices have stabilized in 2026, making now a reasonable time to build. Start with essential finishes and upgrade later. Builder grade now, luxury later when budget allows. Here's the truth. The sooner you understand your numbers, the sooner ownership becomes a decision instead of a dream. You're not sacrificing quality by targeting $120,000 in favorable markets. You're eliminating waste. Every dollar goes toward function, durability, and livability instead of unnecessary square footage or luxury finishes that don't serve your actual needs. These 10 plans prove that affordable doesn't mean cheap, it means strategic. Which plan fits your situation? Drop a comment below. If you want detailed breakdowns for your specific region or help understanding costs in your area, let me know. And if this clarified what's actually possible, subscribe because I post realistic housing breakdowns every week with zero fluff. Building smart starts with understanding your options. These plans give you exactly that.